Hello, everybody, and welcome once again to another edition of the SD3000. I'm Hal Stansbury, live in the Weather Center in the SD3000 headquarters in Collierville, Tennessee, as we keep you up to date on this winter weather that is heading through the Mid-South last night, and then we have another system again tonight. This Team 3 coverage starts in our own backyard. Let's turn it over to Hal Stansbury, who's back there now. Hal? Good afternoon, Hal. Yeah, we're live in the backyard, and as you can see, Winter Storm 2000, late 2013, still very evident here as trees covered in ice. We actually have a few snow flurries actually falling here in the backyard. But many people took to social media to talk about how this was not the devastating winter storm that people had thought. But let me explain something to you. Just because roads aren't damaged or just because power's not out does not mean devastation does not occur when these temperatures drop and you have freezing rain. For instance, the owner of this particular pool pump decided to shut his pump off just prior to the winter storm in the fear that it would clog up because of leaves. And what happened? The water inside the pump is frozen. That's right. It could cost up to thousands of dollars if this bad boy breaks. And just another example of the devastation this winter storm could cause. So the lesson to be learned here, keep your pool pumps on. Make sure you don't lose your investment because of stupidity. Many different aspects of this winter storm. This is just one of them. And I know you're going to talk a little bit more tonight about the potential for another storm system to come through the Mid-South. We'll take it back to you in the studio. Yes, indeed, Hal, and great tips out there for those people that have pools and other objects that could freeze outside. Always good to protect it. Now tonight, as you mentioned, we do have another round of winter precipitation that's going to be headed into the area, and this is going to cause some problems. And the reason why is because the ground is frozen. We've had some temperatures in the low 20s, upper teens across the Mid-South last night and today, so that ground is prepared to hold any winter precipitation. And we could have some slick roads, but even more of a danger is having the addition of ice on these tree limbs and whatnot. The National Weather Service office in Memphis has issued a winter weather advisory for counties in northern Mississippi, eastern Arkansas, west Tennessee, all the way up to Dyersburg and Clarksville, and we'll even encompass middle Tennessee and our friends in Nashville. This means that we could get up to 2/10 of ice, but that's to already add on of what we have, so it could cause some serious problems. That means additional accumulation on things like cars and trees, and even those of you that left your pets or children outside, more ice for them as well. So we'll keep an eye on it and continue to monitor this winter weather situation as we have been sitting here for the last 48 hours, have not moved in 2 days, just to give you the updates. That's right. Live from the SD3000 Winter Weather Center, I'm Hal Stansbury saying, go Missouri. Talk to you soon. Goodbye now.